Getting monetized has almost nothing to do with getting more views or subscribers, but everything to do with this watch hour problem. The good news is you can fix it before you upload your next video. I'm going to show you the 7 things that can get small channels monetized fast with payouts like me, even without videos like this and this with over 1 million views. So here it is. What you want to do is you want to create shorter videos like this, or this, so you can upload more often and get more views. But then what you want to do is you want to link inside those video descriptions and screens and pinned comments towards 2 types of videos. The second one, in my opinion, is by far more effective. But the first one is to link to your best average view duration video so far. So go to your YouTube studio here, add average view duration, and then find and use your highest average view duration video to link to inside your new but also your older videos. Because you can bulk change your old video descriptions by going here and then either adding something to your descriptions or replacing them entirely. And then a significant percentage of your current viewers will go towards that video, which will have a big positive impact on your watch hours. Especially if you do this in combination with uploading more shorter videos that all link to this video. Now if you then also add the playlist string at the end of your video like this, then you will get even more watch hours. Because some people will watch more than 1 video in your playlist due to autoplay. Well, what is the other even better type of video that you can link to? Well, before I show you, know that you can get my free thumbnail templates to create thumbnails like this, and even this in minutes for free. But before you download them, here comes the other type of videos that I love the most because they are so effective. You want to create a bowerbird video. What is a bowerbird? Well, it's a bird that collects random bits of pieces everywhere and then organizes them to get sexy with ladies. So the same way you want to collect parts of your older videos and turn them into a compilation, a loop video like this example of 4 hours study with me, and my personal favorite, a full guide, for example 30 minutes English course for beginners, or this one for AI, or this one for piano, this one for accounting, and on and on. So you're basically creating a long compilation video out of the videos you've already posted. And then the only thing you want to do to increase your views on that video is you just record a new intro. Maybe some short transition clips where you move from one old video into the next one and say something like, now that you've understand assets, liabilities and equity, let's move to journal entries. And then just edit it together by trimming some parts. And you can have a video like this done in 1 hour, which has a much higher chance of getting viral. Recently, by the algorithm, as you can see in this outlier, this, all of these outlier examples. And now you can link to that long video everywhere and explode your watch hours even more. And of course your views. And ad revenue once you are monetized like me. Because the RPM on these long videos is insane. Like $10 as you can see. And I mean, Mr. Beast just started to create them for a reason. Which brings me to the mistake I made before I uploaded this video. At first I thought I should create more videos like video A, which has around 5 times more views than video B. But it got a similar amount of watch hours and same amount of subscribers. On top of that, video A has a subscribe ratio of 0.3%, whereas video B has a sub ratio of 1.5%, which means that for every 1000 views, only 3 people subscribe to video A, but 15 subscribe to video B. So when I saw that, at first I thought I should create more videos like video B, right? But then I looked at the HPM, which stands for hours per mil, aka watch hours per 1000 views. Now video A gets around 19 watch hours per 1000 views, but video B gets 59 watch hours per 1000 views. And keep in mind that this is the problem that most channels face. According to studies I found, it takes around 15.5 months to get to 1000 subs. So after 1 year and 3 months, one finally reaches 1000 subscribers. To realize they're only halfway and maybe need like 1 or 2 more years to get monetized because they have so few watch hours. So video B clearly seems like the solution, right? Well, take a look at the final comparison. Video B took 20 hours to create. After all, it's like 30 minutes long. Video A only took 4 hours to create. So by making 5 videos like video A, you would get 211 watch hours instead of like 30 watch hours in the same amount of time. And that is exactly why we want to create a bowerbird flywheel. So you can solve the watch hour problem this month or skyrocket your RPMs. Here's how. You simply use the same amount of time you currently spend on YouTube and use it to create more but shorter videos like this, where you link to your highest average view video or your better new full guide compilation video, and you will finally see your watch hours explode. Even if you get the current same amount of views you normally get, and then if you also keep creating these bowerbird videos a few times a year once you are monetized, you can get RPMs like this of $25 and above. I mean, look at this. And then also add more ad slots and unblocking these categories in your settings over here. and your RPM will increase further. But if there's one YouTube setting that cost me a lot of money, it is this one. It's one of my most valuable videos. Watch it here to avoid my big mistakes, or read my emails where I share more things like how I got this gift from Google. But also YouTube tips like this, where you can change your face for a Studio Ghibli version in your thumbnail and increase your click-through rate. So read my emails if you care about practical YouTube advice.